Yes, like I said, like my brother say, we always ready for you guys. Anytime you can come, just call us, call and have fun. Always, always. Now we cross Rosario Island right now. We are going to see in few minutes we are going to see the Pablo Escobar house. That's one thing that people like to come here and see what's up.
Yeah,
with this
everybody heard about Pablo Escobar. I think everybody want to come here and see the Pablo Escobar house.
And they want to know the history too, but I don't know the history exactly what's up with us, because it's a lot of years ago, so I don't know exactly how to explain it to you guys. But if you have one option, you have to come to Cartagena and meet these guys. And when you go back to your country, I know you want to come back here because you have a good time. Just let us do work, and you let us know after, okay? We can go.
You can see the airplane of Pablo Escobar.
It's in the water, because many years ago he got fired. The police follow him. The police follow him, and they broke the airplane. Now they're still in the water, If you want to have fun, you have to get tour with the Luxury Travel Council, okay?
Música.
If you want the best time.
When you come to Cholón, the Luxury Travel Council have the best food. We have coconut rice and fish salad. We got the best food. You can get whatever you want in food.
What's up, my people? We are in Cholón. So this is the place, and you can come and have fun. Only the Luxury Travel Council. If you want to have fun in Cartagena or Colombia, you have to be here. You have to be here in Colombia, and I saw you around. Me and my brother, he can take you around and you see how is everything, and you have the best time in your life. Because I know you want to come back. When you see that, you see this, you want to come back here for sure, 100%.
You can see in Cholón something different than another island. You can see there, table inside in the water. You can get some drink there, and you can buy food and eat there inside in the water and the table.
Come with us and I saw you. Come.
Come with us and I saw you. Ah, mi piel. Let me show you around Cholón.
Let's go see what's up in Cholón. Because you know something, I just want to make sure my customers, when they come here, have fun. For sure, that's what I want. If you guys have fun, I'm so happy to be here, okay?
Many people born here. Many people live here. Many people work here. They make money here.
Federico,
you can see the menu there. The menu.
Gracias,
is the normal prices.
Chisa.
The normal prices of the food, the beer, you can see there.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Before you don't see that in Cholón. Before, like 2 or 3 years ago, you don't see that. Now you can see your price. Whatever you eat, you can go back here and see why you had it. You know, you gotta only make sure you got the right price. You know.
That is the regular prices. The regular prices. Yeah, if you know somebody here, you can make good business with that. Good deal. They give you good deal. You know, this is the normal prices. But you can talk with this guy and say, I paid that.
Con la gente.
Ay, vamos a verla.
Right.
Let's go walk. Vamos a ver en el home. Original. No, no le gusta. If you want to buy a necklace or something, you can do whatever you want in Colombia, Cholón. Just come to Colombia and have fun.
¿Qué otra cosa?
I'm gonna show you guys how you can eat inside in the water. Let's go see that. Hey, Samuel's there. Hey, Samuel va por allá. Vamos.
¿Dónde van ellos? Baño. Hey, man.
If you want to have a like experience like that, you only have to call me, okay? For sure. The luxury travel comes here, for sure, 100%. Let's go get it.